Welcome to S Computer Education. Today we discuss how to change the computer's time. Here now time is 11:22 p.m. If you want to change it, click inside the search text box. Simply here type control panel. Now press enter key in the keyboard. Here in this window, click on this date and time. You will get date and time dialog box. In this one, click on change date and time. Here we have got time. 11 is the hours, 23 is the minutes, 6 is the seconds, pm. Another thing we are going to have is am. Now click inside this hours field. What do you mean by hours field? Nothing but simply click on this 11 number. Now click on up arrow to increase the time. Click on down arrow to decrease the time. Again same for minutes. Click inside this minutes field, nothing but 23. Then click on up arrow to increase. Click on down arrow to decrease. Same thing, seconds also same thing you can do. Here pm is there, click on it. Click on up arrow to change it to am. Again click on up arrow to change it to pm. So click on ok. Again click on ok. You can observe that current system time is 12:25 pm. Again if you want to change it to 11:24 pm, for that click inside the search text box. Simply type control panel, press enter key in the keyboard. Click on this date and time. In date and time dialog box, click on change date and time. Here select this 12 number, click drag and drop, type 11. Same thing here also same thing, select the file, enter 4. Now click on ok, click on ok. You can observe that. So time has been changed to 11:24 pm. Thanks all for watching this video. For more videos please like, share and subscribe to S Computer Education channel.